commencement date that ISS start on site, they will have the keys, they will control access. The floor will be absolutely right. All the bolt holes will be repaired.
I think Les and I would both like a note from the structural engineer to that effect.
We've got a 2-hour call set, 8 till 10 on Monday morning, and we'll just blast through the whole thing.
We've got a new COVID policy, and the HSE are now very strict on certain things.
There's a lot going on in the background to make sure we get those appointments in place from the start of the job.
I think the important thing is that we need to get, obviously, the design process going and get tenders out.
It'll be pretty intense, but here we go.
The beginning of the end of a very long journey for Beeswift. We started looking about 3 years ago and looked at various sites all over the West Midlands and the Black Country, and we finally found this building in Aston, with partnering with Rob Trevor and CBRE. We're very pleased the way they've approached the project. We've got a massive build out, as you can see, expansion of the offices by over 20,000 square feet on 2 floors, a purpose-built training centre, canteen, fully operational ground floor, which is going to be a very versatile space which can be used for functions, can be used for training, can be used for corporate events. So as a corporate headquarters, it's going to be ideal.
To create a gas heating supply at a high level to supply frost protection along with other heating services within the building. We also have a smoke vesta pipe system which will also sense any smoke or fire within the building when we go live. You'll also see at high level that's painted in red our sprinkler suppression system. The sprinkler system will be working throughout the building, also internally in the existing offices, again as a suppression system in the event of any fire in the building. This is the existing office space. What we've currently done, we've punched out the existing cladding to create and expose the existing office. And what we will then do is, with the excavations and the piling in the ground, we will erect this steel, creating a new framework from one end of the warehouse all the way to the other side. Basically doing here, you can see the rig behind me. It's currently got a continual flight auger drill on it, which is basically it's at 300 diameter. We're going to change that to a 450, a lot wider, a lot more substantial, because what we've basically got to do is put 57 piles in the ground here, and what that's going to do is it's going to hold the weight of a concrete raft and 2 10,000 gallon water drums, and those drums will basically be used for the suppression system which is inside the building. So in the event of a fire, the sprinklers will activate and the water will be released and into the building itself.
It's a key project for us. It's a new relationship with Beeswift, although we have been involved with them now for probably nearly a year.
a huge number of Zoom calls, coordination, everybody working together to try and make this a successful project. We're trying to deliver by November so that Beeswift are able to move at a quiet time for their business. And I personally think it's a really key project for us as well, because they are in a very important business area for both safety wear and PPE. Those are two growth areas, and with our European portfolio and their expansion into Europe, we see this as an opportunity for a longer term, Europe-wide and potentially global business.